Hey everybody, today I don't know what my video is going to be on, but it's 18th, Friday the 18th, Monday's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and I need to give some shout outs to some people. First is Mr. Green Dragon 3. He has some restoration videos. He's in Ireland, but I don't know what the video is going to be today, but shout out to him and Logan Johnson. So yeah, go and check them guys out. But thank you for the 41 subscribers. This is our new 242 decal skid loader, skid steer that we, if you saw my little two videos ago, I was cleaning out the beef pen. This is what I was using. We just got this like 2 weeks ago. 1 second. Get where you can see it better. The only reason, that's my brother. The only reason it has manure on it because the other night our 230 something, our smallest one, it doesn't have that bracket. That bracket's just flat on the back. But it's a D2. We have 3 skid steers. Well, we had to get the other night we had to get a new hydraulic thing for the latch, for the bucket latch on the bottom. There's a hydraulic cylinder that goes through the middle and then it pokes down through the middle and then it goes down into these holes, or those holes, it pokes down to hold the bucket on. And we had to get a new motor for that. Get out of the way. We had to get, let me get up out of the way. But we had to get a new motor for that because on our manure skid steer, that's the 236 or whatever, 232, 236. Well, we had to get that, and that's our manure skid steer. So that broke, so and he couldn't put the scraper on. So we had to use this. We only got it 2 weeks ago because this one we bought, but our last one, because we just got rid of our last 242. That was our sawdust skid steer, same as this. The sawdust. Well, anyways, he had to use that for a day, or for the night, because that motor broke, and so he used this. It smells so nice and new. Well, the last one we leased, our other 242, we leased this. We put a backup camera in it. The camera will show up if you back up. But, well, turn around. Can't. But anyways, if you can see me good. So we had to, what was I just saying? Well, our last 242 that it was a leased skid steer. We leased it for a couple years. That was pretty same exact thing as this, just older. And we have 3 skid steers. The manure skid steer 236 or 232, whatever it is, D. And then we have our big skid steer, our 262, our feed skid steer, scrapes and dumps up into the feed truck. We have a ramp we have to dump into, but I just thought I had nothing else to video, so figured I would just do this. I'm gonna start it, I guess. Was it?
Not neutral, I don't think.
There's no neutral. Maybe I have to put these down. Brandon, I think you have to shut the door for it to start, maybe. Yeah, get out and shut the door.
So I need to make my way out. I'll shut it.
A little cold. But it's this, so I'll get out. Back. 242D. Get down. Don't think we don't treat these skid steers right because fan turned in. Because we just had to use it that one morning and lost it sometime. But that's the skid steer. It's a 2-speed. But I hope everyone liked this video. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Go to Mike P7810's channel. Go to Mr. Green Dragon 3's channel. He has like 854 subscribers. Go to Logan Johnson's channel. He's up in Canada. Mr. Green Dragon's in Ireland. But yeah, everyone give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. I have a Google Plus account. Few guys have Google Plus, but yeah. Thank you very much. We just got this like a week ago or so, and this is our medium-sized skid steer. But yeah, go and check those guys out. And I'll see you later. Hey, I figured I would come down and show you the feed skid steer and the Mack feed truck. If you saw my video, the truck tour, all the trucks on the farm, I didn't show this truck, the feed truck, but that's the feed skid steer, 262D. But once he's down, I'll go and show you the feed truck. And I might go and do the other skid steer, third skid steer, smallest skid steer. That's the biggest skid steer right there. It's the white feeding. I think he's parking. I might ride with him. With the white for a load in the feed truck for a load, but there it is. Very dusty inside. He's waiting for the timer to go off so I need to start feeding. I'll come down here and show you these gates before I start feeding. These gates are for because the cows go up the side, up there, and then up to the parlor. This is the long barn, by the way, if you saw my last video. Still not feeding yet. That's our manure skid steer. Very manure-y. Still not going. But we scrape these in the morning. Like we scrape it all out. Then we take it over to the beefers. It's gonna go. Run to the end, run to the end. That truck was originally a Mack, it was a garbage truck. I think that's going to do it for this